Guys, I'm out on a vacation. Guys, that's my vacation. It's what I afford most. I'm out on a vacation. So I'm in Kailicha. I'm in Kailicha at the beachside. But me being me and me being broke, I had left over pap. We call it sadza. I want to change to be calling it sadza always. I had left over sadza. Is the one I'm eating now. This leftover sadza, we bought it in Belleville, where they escorted someone whose car is dead. So there we bought sadza, and then now I'm eating my leftover. I'm at the beach. It's so beautiful. On the right hand side there is there are people who are learning how to drive. Let me show you. Okay. There are people who are learning how to drive. I don't know if you can see those cars there. And also I'm sure you can hear that beep 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 sound. This is where I am. Enjoying life, guys. Enjoying life. That's behind me. There's a bridge there. And that one behind me there is called Beach Road. It's called Beach Road because that's a beachside road. And there is a sea. There, even here in front of me. This place is very beautiful. But it's not about the place now. It's about me being out on a vacation. Guys, this is to me it's a vacation. It's a holiday to me. So now I was hungry. I didn't have anything to eat. Anyway, the only thing I had is this leftover sadza and this water. This is the only water I have. If I want to drink water, this is what I'm going to drink now. And this sadza, it was sadza and maguru and matumbu. Yo, I don't know the English what do you call it? The English name for maguru and matumbu. But this is matumbu, guys. This is matumbu. The cow intestines. I don't know the English word for it. That's true. That's the truth. And beans and vegetables, but I had eaten vegetables already, so it's only beans left. And it's cold, and you know how these things look like when they are cold, guys. I can't even show it to you because it looks disgusting. But yeah, that is what I have, and I was hungry. If it was not for this food, I could have died here. So after this water should be enough for me to drink and wash my hands. Guys, this food is cold. You know what time I left it? In the morning, around, this is 3:30 evening now. I think I left it around 11. I left it around 11. But it was very nice. It's still very nice. The only problem is it's cold now. That time when I ate, it was very hot. Now it's very cold. It's good to be alone sometimes. Thinking deep, meditating, you know. No, like I said, it's a vacation. Finding yourself. I'm finding myself here. Thank you God for this food, guys. I'm full. I'm full. If it was not for this leftover salsa. Yeah. Oh, I think it's better to drink this water than to keep washing my hands. Then I can use this tissue for my hands. Since there's too much oils, there's too much fats in my hands from this side. Oh, guys, I'm full. I'm full. This was my lunch for today. So even now when I get home, I'm full. Excuse me. I'm full, guys. I'm on a holiday, guys, all by myself. Look where I am. You saw it, Mus. Yo, I don't know where that car is going. I'm just showing you guys in case it's a lady. The lady and two men. I don't know, is there a road there? I'm seeing lots of cars driving going that side. Oh, they're just going to chill. It's a very nice area, guys. For those people who like to be by themselves, it's a very nice area. Look where I am. Look. Others are teaching each other how to drive though. Look. So that is it, guys. Bye bye.